Hi, my name is Amarveer. I am from Melbourne Institute of Technology. My student ID is MIT1711084, and I'm going to talk about two separate security tools which are named as Nmap and Nessus. I'm going to talk about how to install those two applications and how to make use of them by narrating them with the screenshots, and I'm going to compare both of these at the end of this video. Thanks. Hi, first we're going to download Nmap. You can just search Nmap download. And then we can have this Nmap from here. We can download it from here. Here is the Mac OS version, and you can download it from here by clicking it here. I have downloaded Nmap on my system already, so I'm going to launch it from here. There are different versions of Nmap, such as Windows is different, Mac has different, so I'm just putting the Mac out there. This is the Mac version. Now I'm going to show you how the Nmap works and what are its tasks which it performs. The first thing here is the target, which is the IP address that we can use. Like for instance, if I use mine, I'll show you later on, but first I will define each and every option in this application. The profile is the intent scan, like it is having different options, which includes intent scan plus UDP, the TCP ports which can be scanned or we want to scan, the ping scan, the quick scan plus, quick tracer route, regular scan, and slow comprehensive scan. We can use all these options according to what we want to do with this application and what are requirements at the moment. We can get to know about which ports are open, which are not, which can be scanned, which cannot, which we want to scan, which are our intention to scan. So all the ports that are open and which are not open, all these things that we can check from. After selecting the required point, we just have to click on the scan, and then here we can have the required results. That whatever we want to know, we can get the results out here at this point. This will show you the ports and hosts, which ports are open, which is the host. This particular bracket shows this thing. The next is topology, that we can get to know what topology we are using or what topology is being created at the network, and by which the network is being created. What is the network details we can get, and then we have the host details. That here it is, the host details, and then we can scans the results, unsaving and mapping and everything. Then we have the host and services, both these options, and if you want to choose. Now I'm going to show you the host thing, which I'm using my friend's computer, so I'm going to put his IP address in here so I can get the desired result out of it. Here's it. I'm just gonna click the scan button. I'm gonna have my results out there. This is how it works. Everything will be coming. Now you can see which port is there. This is my IP address, and you can see which port is open to 6031, TCP, the state, the service, the version. Everything has been given here. To briefly sum it up, Nmap is a security scanner originally written by Gordon Leon, used to discover hosts and services on a computer network, thus building a map of the network. The goal is to accomplish the crafted packets to the target host and analyze the response. Now you just have to search Nessus Home on the Google, and you'll get to this web page. Then you have to put your first name and last name. Then you should put your email here, and then you'll receive an activation code, which will be later used to run the application, which will later use the security tool. After downloading the application, this is the home page. Then you can see my scans. I haven't scanned anything, so I'll start with the create a new scan. Here you can click on the create new scan, and then you have all these things: advanced scan, audit, cloud infrastructure, host discovery, base shell dog detection, internal PC and scan, mobile device scan. Every option is available. You just have to choose the one which you. For instance, if I had to use the advanced scan, I just click on it. It will give you the name, description, the folder in which you want to put your scans and everything. thereafter. Then target means you have to put the IP address here which you want to scan. So when you've scanned, you're done with all these things. You can have all your scans here. My scans, I haven't scanned anything at the moment, but you have your trash here, which I don't have any at the moment. So you can work on a scan like this. If we compare both the soft scanners, I would say Nmap by itself doesn't tell you the existence of vulnerabilities of a system. Between the scanning results, your knowledge of computer networking and your knowledge of your network baseline, you'll be able to figure out what vulnerabilities exist, address the issues, and improve your security posture. Overall, NSS is about to a large extent an excellent tool for hacker. The reason being is that it allows one to figure out the network lay of the land. So now if we talk about NSS's primary function is to provide security scanning capabilities to its user. Like Nmap, it can do network discovery, but unlike Nmap, it is designed to scan systems to determine their vulnerabilities. Some vulnerability checks, if safe mode disabled, can crash a system, which itself you can't do with Nmap. As such, administrations explore the system with scans prior to putting them in production. Depending on your position and purpose, it may already be clear which tool is for you. However, if your main focus is making sure any vulnerabilities are discovered without the need to hire a network and security expert, then Nmap is just maybe the answer. It's not free, but it's relatively inexpensive. If you're a penetration security engineer and assigned to check out company's network, then NSS must do the job for you because of its portability and utility. I've just shown you two security tools which are Nmap and NSS. Nmap is a bit more pro-kind and NSS is a bit more compatible with each and everything. I hope you find this video useful and you get the concepts clear. Thank you.